Okay, now let's talk about laws of exponent. So first, we have the product rule. So dito sa product rule, if we have same base, so which is A tsaka A, so ang gagawin lang natin dito ay ika-copy lang natin si A, and then yung exponent nila ay i-add natin. So we're going to add their exponent. So we have m plus n. Okay, number 2, we have the quotient rule. So if we have quotient rule, so we need to copy the base, which is A, and then the exponent, we will just subtract it. And then we have the power of a power rule. Here, in power of a power rule, so since we have here quantity AB raised to M, so ang gagawin lang natin dito is si M i-distribute natin kay A tsaka kay B. So meaning we have A raised to M and B raised to M.